Hello! Welcome back to the second part of building my Google Maps scraper. In the previous video, I built the foundational scraper that retrieves business details like name, address, and phone number. Now I'm upgrading it to add functionality where the scraper visits each business's website to extract emails and social media links. Let's dive right in. First, I updated the business class to include fields for email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These new attributes will store the data we scrape from each website. Next, I created a Get Emails function. Make sure that I installed Beautiful Soup, because I will parse the website's HTML content to it and get the emails using the regex pattern. I generated the best regex with Siri. This pattern reliably captures the email addresses from the business website's HTML content. After that, I added another function, Get Social Media Links, which identifies and collects links to the business's social media profiles. This function searches for specific URLs and patterns commonly associated with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Finally, I added the important function, Visit Website function. This function enables the scraper to navigate to the business's website and extract the email and social media links. Inside this function, I called both Get Emails and Get Social Media Links to ensure we capture all the required information whenever the scraper visits the business site. Now, everything works perfectly. The scraper goes on Google Maps, makes a search for my search term, then gathers the listings based on the total I specified or maximum provided by Google Maps. It clicks on the businesses to get the name, address, and phone number from Google Maps, then proceeds to visit each of the business's website, get their emails and social media profiles. Your ideas and questions are welcome. You can leave a comment to suggest any ideas on how I can make the scraper even better. This is the complete data the scraper extracted. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have great projects in the pipelines, so turn on post notifications so that when I upload, you will be first to be notified. Thank you for watching.